Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Econometrics and choose ARIMA Modelling. Tap Get Started to reach the login page. Then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Data Upload Instructions. In this option, you can get instructions on how to properly upload your dataset. How to save as CSV. This option is provided to know how to save your dataset in CSV format correctly. How to perform analysis. In this option, you can get step-by-step guidance on how to perform statistical analysis. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the data type column. Next comes the start date column, and then select the variable column. Click here if you want Box-Cox transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF or HTML formats. Manual ARIMA tab allows the user to check stationarity of data, autocorrelation behavior, and fit an ARIMA model by specifying the orders and compare it with automatically fitted model. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the V-Plots tab to create time series. Plot moving average plot, ACF plot, PACF plot, fitted plot, residual line graph, residual histogram, residual ACF plot, forecast plot. Interactive tab allows user to interact with time series data, zoom into your data, and much more. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with RAISINS.live, and make your data speak.